Police reported ahead.
Oh, Waze, just talk to me. Hello, hello, hello. Sana nag-record siya. Hello. Hola! We're on our way to Hair Asia. I'm with Mother Banks, Miss Banks, and Cedric, Miss Chia Seeds. So, as usual, it's traffic. I'm here with someone I stalked on Instagram and YouTube, Jessica in your head. Also a YouTuber. What's your channel, love?
Miss Jessica Godinez.
Yeah, she's also on here on Instagram. Jessica in your head. She's in your head. Hola! So we're here inside the World Trade Center for Hair Asia. We're here in the Beauty Lane booth, Elgon, Olaplex, and then see, that's the stage there. So many people. Silhouette. Ano ginagawa mo, te?
Ako ay nag-hairstyling.
Ah, ang taray. Hi ka sa mga YouTube.
Hi.
Yan, anong ginamit yung kulay dito?
Ito ay
So, this is Davines. Be careful sa head. So, this is DG. Color. And ito, swatch ko. Paasa siya, diba? Sabi na yung bagong kulay. Ito, swatch ko. Tapos hiningi ko yung swatch, wala naman palang swatch. Ayun. Sige, patingin na lang ako ng ano. So, ito yung bagong Demi-Permanent. I'm with Jessica in your head. She's doing an Instagram live. This is some Inception stuff we're doing right here. See? So, I just met her today here in Hair Asia. Yeah. We're here kay Papa B. Ayun, si Papa B.
Ma'am Evelyn, kamusta po, sir?
Ano mensahe mo?
Good health always and more money.
Ayun. So now we're here in Mondes Professional na booth. Hi, Miss Arlene. Kamusta ka na? Mag-hi ka naman sa video. Ayun! Ay, ang gaganda nila, oh. Ay, yes. Ayan. Ito ang Mondes. Back in Lux Salon from Hair Asia. Please do check out my Hair Asia vlog on my YouTube channel when it's out. It's at Buddy Kongson. Edit ko muna siya. Daming clip.